Alright, 3.3 is the properties of logarithms. So we're going to do some algebra work using our logarithms. And so first property we have here is the change of base. I touched briefly on this last time, last slide, but we can change any log by saying log of b. A goes on the bottom, x goes on top. So let's do an example here real quick. Log 3 of 8. We could turn that into anything we want. Log, we could say 7 if we wanted to, of 8 over log 7 of 3. Or we could do log base 2 of 8 over log base 2 of 3. Or any other base we want, as long as we keep these numbers the same. We can take the 8 and put it on top, and the 3 goes on the bottom. So this is mostly useful for turning things into base 10 and base e, which is the natural log, and the regular log. And so some of your calculators do have a function where you can do log 3 of 8 just right away and get an answer. But if your calculators don't have that, then we have to use the change of base formula. And so we'll try some examples here. So taking a look, log 4 of 25, we can switch that to log of 25. What's the base if you don't see a little number in the logs? If you said 10, you're doing well. Log base 10 of 25. If you don't see the number, we're assuming that they're 10s down there. We can plug that into our calculator. We'll get the numbers indicated here, and you should get that. So you can try to plug that in your calculator, make sure your numbers work. We'll look at number 2. We can also do the exact same thing. Don't have to use the log base 10. We could also use natural log, which is the same as log base e. And we get 2.32. If I go back, we also had 2.32. So same answers. Now, they're not going to be exactly the same all the way out to the really, really tiny decimals, but they're essentially the same answers. So let's do this problem number 7. Pause me for a second. Try to get the answers for common logs, which means log base 10, and natural logs, which is ln or log base e. All right, your answer, if you did it right, is log 16 over log 5. Don't have to put the little 10 in there. The other way to say this is natural log over natural log of 5. And so this problem, they just wanted us to rewrite them. That's all you have to do for this problem.